What's up, guys? Welcome back to RC Voodoo. Today I have a set of KYX axles, and I just got these in. I got a special project in mind for these, and I decided to see how well these things come lubed, if lubed at all, from the factory. One thing I will say, these is by far the smoothest feeling axles that I've ever seen. I mean, there's zero play in anything, but yet it is so smooth. Like, there is zero slop. So I'll go ahead and just take the cover off here. I've got the screw somewhat loose already, so let's make this a little quicker. There we go. Well, the back of the cap is dry, and pretty much there's a little on the gear, but could use a lot more grease. So the only thing that's really lubed is the actual gear itself. You know, the input gear down there barely has a little bit on it also. I don't know if you can see it on the camera. No, too dark down in there. But I'm sure the front is going to be the same way. So this is just one reason you should always check when you buy new parts, any kind of part, if it's supposed to be greased, always take it apart and make sure it is. Okay, moving on to the front axles. Pretty sure it's going to be the same thing, but we'll take the cap off just to get a look at it and verify. Probably should have loosened these up a little also, so wouldn't take quite so long. I know with this quarantine going on, everyone's uploading videos, and I've got a ton of videos to watch, so the last thing I want to do is watch one that takes forever. You can see just a little, well, you could see just a little drip there on the, and pretty much, actually not even much grease at all on the actual teeth. So pretty dry, like the back, figured it would be. So I will get these, I'll get these packed, not overpacked, but a good amount in there, and call it a day. And these are so smooth. Well, that's going to do it, guys. I was just going to crack these open, test them out, and I thought might as well share it in case someone else is interested or wondering if they do. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.